All right, huxwrk Flow 556K. This is on the 6mm muzzle device, 5/8 by 24, whatever you want to call it. As you can see, it's sticking on. This muzzle device is a little bit bigger. I've heard mixed things, whether huxwrk, the reps online say this isn't the 556K, the original one isn't compatible with this. And then the reps at this Capital Armory, Capital Armory, Quiet in the Capital event, were saying that it just needs to be cleaned and that it does fit on this muzzle device. I don't think it does, but oh well, it kind of does. If you don't really cinch it down, it comes loose. Let's see, can we see in there? Hit the 2x zoom. Yeah, this suppressor has seen better days. Okay, cool. So what we're using. I've seen quite a few guys use this. It's gonna live in the sink. 28 fluid ounces. Go a little above it because it's probably gonna bubble up and come out. And yeah, we're gonna let this sit overnight. It is 8 o'clock. Yeah, I'm gonna let it sit approximately 10 to 12 hours. Leave the house in the morning. I'm gonna go set this outside actually. You can already see it's bubbling. Let me set. I'm not too worried about the finish, so this should be fine. 11 hours later. Well, technically we had a time reset, so that might be 12, but I don't know what sex sword has last night. I'm genuinely surprised. I thought this would have had more in here. Probably need to let it sit longer. I bet you when I pull the can up, it's gonna start rising or dropping out the bottom. Mix it around a little bit. Definitely not that bright lime green anymore though, so it was doing something.